how to use Cat ET. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be talking about how to use Cat ET to carry out various diagnostics on Caterpillar equipment, and I'll swear taking you around the ET environment. All you need to do is follow the pointer of my mouse as I take you around. So I'm not connected to a real life machine, but I'm connected to a trainer in the ET. And to be able to use Caterpillar ET, you need to have the ET software installed in your PC, and you as well need to have communication adapter 2 or 3 to be able to gain communication with Cat equipment and generator sets. That being said, when the software is installed in your PC, you're going to open it, and it's going to pop up if you want to allow this software to make changes to your computer. You're going to be clicking yes, allow, and it's going to when you're connecting, just for this tutorial sake, I'm using these machines inside my ET 988 medium wheel loader for the training purpose. So when you start connecting, after allowing the ET software to make changes to your computer, it's going to show you please wait, and you're going to wait, and it's going to initialize communication, just what you are seeing on my screen. 4 ECMs detected. Initializing, please wait. That's going to wait for some seconds, and now it's going to show you all the ECMs that are used on the machine. Like this medium wheel loader, it's using 4 ECMs. Like the C15 is the engine ECM, transmission, Cat monitor, and the implement. If for instance you already know that this machine is using 4 ECMs, and when you connect to it, you find out that you are able to see only 3 out of 4 or 2 out of 4, it means the other ECMs that you did not see, the circuit of that ECM has a problem. It could be an ECM problem, but that's the last thing that can happen, because ECMs hardly fail. What you'll be checking for first is feed to the ECM to know if all the positive, the on switch positive and switch positive are present, if all the grounds are present. Then you proceed to check the CAN data link of the ECMs, and one of these must be why you couldn't see the other ECMs. So these ones you can. Okay, another thing is people don't just connect to machine. Before connecting to machine, you must have a malfunction or operator's complaint, or you must have something in mind that you want to check, which could be under engine, other transmission, the Cat monitor, or the implement. So for instance, I'm clicking the transmission ECM. When you click OK, it's going to take you to the ECM summary page, and in the ECM summary page you're going to have the summary of all the ECMs that are used on this 988 medium wheel loader. This is how the ECM summary page looks like. So I have the transmission ECM first because it's what I selected. If it's the engine ECM that I selected, it's going to come first. So whichever one you selected is going to come first on the ECM summary page. So under the transmission ECM, you can see the description. Product ID. Product ID is most times the machine serial number, and you can see, and these are programmable. Yes, these are programmable parameters. You can change them, you can alter them through programming. Equipment ID. You see, this one is Bob's trainer. For instance, if Emmanuel has 10 wheel loader, you can give them unique ID. Like you can start from Emmanuel 1 wheel loader, Emmanuel 2, Emmanuel 3 to 10. So you can program equipment ID. Transmission serial number, this is it. Transmission configuration code, this is the configuration code for this transmission. If you alter this code, it's going to misbehave. It's going to show you a whole lot of faults that are not on the machine. So you don't tamper with the transmission configuration code. As well, ECM part number. The ECM part number, you can get it on the body of the ECM, and you can get it when you connect to the ECM from the summary page, just like you are seeing this one, 1729389. And as well, you can get it in the SIS service information system using the machine serial number. ECM serial number, this is it. This one is, it comes with the ECM. Software group part number, also known as flash file number. So this is the number that you need to flash program an ECM. Without this number, you won't be able to flash an ECM. Software group release date, August 2009. This is the date this software was released, and it's kind of old. I believe latest softwares are out there. Software group description, 988 transmission control. This software group description is very important to always confirm if it's correct on a particular machine, because I've worked on a machine where the people used 980H ECM on a 966G machine, and they were having malfunctioning gear shifting. So it means that the flash files or the software were not compatible. So always look out for it if it's if it tally with the machine that it's on. Active diagnostic code present. Yes, we have this yes because watch the pointer of my mouse. In the active codes, we have codes from the transmission ECM. That's why it's showing yes here. And on the CAT monitor system, active diagnostic code present, we have no. That's because in the active diagnostic codes, we don't have anyone under the CAT monitoring system. And so, just as I explained the transmission summary, that's how C15, the engine, the CAT monitor, and the implement summaries are too. So I will not be talking too much in this summary page. So if you have any question, post it in the comment section. I will be glad to answer your questions. Please subscribe to my channels. It's going to motivate me to keep posting, and I'll keep posting. This is just for the summary page. We have a whole lot to learn, and I believe at the end of all my tutorials about how to use CAT-AT, you'll be able to go to a machine and carry out successful diagnostics, fixing electrical problems, mechanical problems, and hydraulic problems. CAT-AT is a diagnostic tool that is used to diagnose Caterpillar equipment, mostly electrical problem. But in diagnosing electrical problem, it could lead you to tell if the problem is actually electrical or if it's mechanical or hydraulic. So what I prefer is, as equipment owner, when your electronic control machine has problem, all you need to do is first of all let an electrical guy carry out diagnostic first before mechanical guys can go there, because the problem could just be electrical and the mechanical guys could go add more problems to your machine. I'm saying this from experience. Thanks for watching.